This video will highlight reports and features that can support project managers in FUDSChem. These reports can give you a quick glance at the status of your projects. Let's first take a look at the Project Tracking Report, which is the main project management tool available within FUDSChem. All members of the project delivery team, including USACE personnel, prime contractors, subcontractors, and laboratories, may find this report helpful for synchronizing on the status of the project. The Project Tracking Report can be accessed by clicking the link in the upper left of the dashboard. This link will run the report for all of your projects regardless of the district. For project managers, it's recommended that you navigate to the Project Tracking Report through this link so that you can see only your projects. Alternatively, you can instead run the report by going to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Project Tracking, which will run the report for only the current database, but will show all projects. We'll choose this option, which will run the report for only the training database. When the report opens, the drop-downs will automatically pre-fill. The date field is automatically set to 1 week prior to today's date and functions as an as of date. If any cell was updated as of the chosen date, the text for that project or event will display in blue. If the report does not run automatically, click View Report. The Project Tracking Report is organized in 5 sections, which can be viewed by scrolling to the right in the report interface. Alternatively, the report is optimized for Excel and can be saved in Excel format by clicking on the floppy disk icon. For more information on the Project Tracking Report, please reference the Project Tracking Overview video, linked in the description. If we wanted to see the progress of our report on the location or sample level, there are several event tracking reports available. These reports run based on the planning that was done for the event under Tools, Data, Event Management. They show the status of data loading and approval efforts for both chemistry and geology data for a particular event, either at the location or sample level depending on the report. We will take a basic look at the reports now, but you can reference the Event Tracking Reports Overview video, which is linked in the description, for more information. Go to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status, All Data Types. Choose the project and the event and click View Report. You can see we've planned to collect various types of data for each location listed in this event. There's a key at the bottom that tells us what the color of the cells indicates along with what the column abbreviations stand for. The color coding updates in real time as data is submitted and approved, making it easy to keep track of progress at a glance. It also makes it easy to spot where something might have fallen through the cracks. There are 2 more event tracking reports available. We'll return to our main window to review the next one. Go to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status, Chemistry Report. Choose the project and the event, and click View Report. This report lists the different analysis methods planned on a per-location basis. It also has a color-coded key for each step at the bottom. As each step is finished, the report will update in real time, making it easy to see locations that may have been skipped and help you make sure that your data is complete. Let's go back to our main window. The final report is under Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Event Status, Chemistry Detail Report. Choose the project and event and click View Report. This report lists the different methods assigned on a per-sample basis instead of a per-location basis like the previous report. It also gives more detailed information on the chain of custody, SDG number, and which lab is doing the analysis. It also has a color-coded key for each step at the bottom. Like the other reports, as each step is finished, the report will update in real time, making it easy to see samples that may have been skipped and make sure your dataset is complete. As noted before, please reference the Event Tracking Reports Overview video, which is linked in the description, for more information on these 3 reports. Back on the dashboard, we will look at the Performance Metrics report next. These reports track the amount of time each step in a project has taken versus the expected turnaround time. They are useful for pinpointing which party may need additional support to meet turnaround times in the event that data is not getting to the core in a timely manner. Note that for these reports to run, the event management information must be filled out. We go over how to enter information into event management in our event management tutorial. This video is linked in the description. The Performance Metrics Detail report is accessed by navigating to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Performance Metrics Detail, or by clicking on the Metrics Detail link on the dashboard. Let's click the link on the dashboard. In this report, you can choose multiple projects, events, and laboratories. Once parameters are set, click View Report. The report shows the amount of days it took to submit field data, to submit laboratory data, to finalize validation, and to approve the data. Processes that exceed turnaround time are colored in red. The footnote explains how days are calculated. The expected turnaround time can be edited in the Field Tracking tab of the Event Management tool. Let's go back to our main window. Next, the Performance Metrics Rollup report is accessed by navigating to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Performance Metrics Rollup, or by clicking on the Metrics Rollup link on the dashboard. Let's use the dashboard link. The report shows the minimum, maximum, and average turnaround times, compared to the expected turnaround times for multiple events in each project. For more information on either of these reports, please refer to the Performance Metrics Overview video, linked in the description. Back on the dashboard, if you need support navigating the system, you can locate your FUDSChem support point of contact by clicking their name under the Points of Contact section. Though we will not do so in this video for the sake of privacy, clicking on their name shows their contact information. Additionally, if you need to contact someone on your team, there is a directory available in the system. You can find this by going to Quick Links Team Directory. In the interest of privacy, we will not look at the team directory. Note that a user's permissions can be viewed from this page. For more information, please refer to our FUDSChem Permissions Overview video, linked in the description. The Quick Links menu also includes a link to a shared workspace for each property that is active in the selected district. Additionally, a Share Files workspace is included. Users will only be able to access workspaces for projects that they have permissions for, but all users can access the Share Files workspace. Let's go to the Camp Richards workspace. These spaces can be used for temporary file storage or as a file transfer system. All files loaded here will expire after a specified amount of time. To learn more about navigating various features in FUDSChem, please refer to our general navigation video, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.